Most traders fail funded challenges not because they don't know how to trade or they don't have a strategy that works. They fail because they don't understand how to adapt their strategy to the profit rules. I've personally passed challenges with my Forex fund and e-market, and with this video, I'll be breaking exactly how I combine ICT and currency strength meter to pass my profit challenges. This is not time, this is structure. Here is the truth. Funded challenges are not about making money. They are about not violating rules. Rules like daily drawdown, max drawdown, profit target, minimum trading days, and some even goes as to consistency rule. If you treat it like a personal account, you will fail. Passing a risky management game first, then strategy follows. ICT gives precision entry, but ICT alone doesn't always give directional bias across the entire market. That's where currency strength meter comes in. I use currency strength meter to identify strongest currency of the day and weakest currency of the day. Then I pair them. For example, if US dollar is the strongest and JPY is the weakest, I look for a buy on USD JPY and sometimes sell. It depends on the alignment. The currency strength meter is not an entire tool. It is a filter. It keeps me trading with the momentum instead of fighting it. My model is simple. Once I get my daily bias, then I go down to the 1 daily time frame to check the overall market. Then I go down to the 15 minutes to wait for pullback. Then I go down to the 1 minute time frame to expect market to clear out liquidities. In that 1 minute time frame, I wait for market shift, market structure shift. Then I target the internal liquidity. I'm not looking for 10 RR on funded challenges. 2-3 RR consistently is more than enough. If I reach 0.5% and cash 3 RR, that's about 1.5% gain on one trade. Do that in a few times, you will hit that target safely. This is what actually passed my challenges. Risk control. I risk 0.5 to 1% per trade, maximum 2 trades per day. If I lose 2 trades, I stop. No revenge trading, no increasing lot size mid challenge. If you can't control yourself for 30 days, you don't deserve funding. Here is what most traders self-sabotage. After 2 wins, they double the lot size. After 1 loss, they try to recover immediately. They ignore daily drawdown buffer. On challenge, survival is priority. You don't need to prove anything. You need to finish the phase. Passing a funded challenges is not about being a genius. It's about true structure, patience, and respecting risk. If you want more video breaking down real funded challenges strategy using ICT and strength analysis, subscribe. I don't teach theory. I teach what I use.